a virtual tour of our favorite campus. Right now, I'm standing on Old Campus, where a lot of your mentors lived when they first got to Yale. We can't wait to show you the rest of campus.
I wake up, my shoulder's cold. I've got to leave here before I go.
So this is the Yale SEED, the Center for Engineering, Innovation, and Design. It's our on-campus makerspace that's free for all Yale students to use. There are machines like 3D printers, sewing machines, and laser cutters.
Drag my feet along the floor.
Hi Codehaven! I am standing right now outside of Jonathan Edwards College, which is one of the 14 residential colleges at Yale. And these colleges are like mini communities at Yale. So after your first year, if you're a Yale student, you will sleep in your college, you will eat in your college, and most of the people you see every day will be people in your college. So it's like a really nice home on campus.
Feet along the floor, then I see you, you're walking across the campus.
We're currently inside the beautiful Timothy Dwight courtyard. Over here is a little space where students often play lawn games together, and we also have our beautiful ginkgo tree over here. And overall, the courtyard is just a really great space where students can socialize and hang out together.
Oh, professor studying romances.
Right now, we're inside the TD Town Hall, and behind me is the beautiful, cozy TD Common Room, where students can hang out and socialize in a more comfortable setting.
How am I supposed to pretend I never want to see you again? How am I supposed to pretend I never want to see?
This is where we pick up our food. Because of COVID, everything is to go, but it's really nice. We have our amazing dining hall staff, and we basically just pick up meals based on what we want.
Walk to class in front of ya.
Now we're going to show you a suite inside Timothy Dwight.
Oh Alice, I've been waiting for you. Welcome to our suite. This is our common room, and every suite has a common room, and that's where most of the students come to hang out, to study, maybe sleep on the couch, and watch a good movie.
You carefree, you look inside and turn to the door. Drag your feet along the floor.
This is typically a space where 2 people can sleep, but because of COVID-19, only one person, me, is sleeping in here. So this is my entire room, and it is my room because of how I decorated it. As you can tell, it has many different parts of me, my personality, and stuff from back home. And I also have my collection of masks, for safety. And of course, we have some Yale pride.
Hey, what's up, Codehaven Nation? Today I'm at the Leitner Family Observatory on Yale's campus. One of my preferred places to hang out because it's a really special place where we can actually look up into the sky with really fancy telescopes, and we can see things that we can't normally see with our naked eye. But there's not really that much activity going on at an observatory during the daytime, so I think I'll have to revisit later tonight.
So Jupiter and Saturn are right over there. The dwarf planet Pluto happens to be right between them. Of course, can't see that with the naked eye. Could definitely see it with a telescope. This is a live view right now of the planet Jupiter. And it's interesting. I can definitely see some surface features. Even though it's a little bit windy, I can see the great red spot. If I increase the exposure time, you can actually see all of the Galilean moons here. Or at least 3 of them. There's one right there. I hope you can see that. There's one right there, really close in. We saw that before. And there's another one way over here.
So I'm actually a physics major, and for me, we get to solve these really interesting problems that deal with stars, planets, solar systems, galaxies, and a lot of the time, we'll use computers to help us solve these problems. Because computers, even though they're great at controlling a video game, for example, they're also amazing at calculating, are doing really complex calculations so that we can have a better understanding of things that are in the sky very far away from us. So I think that's something very important to keep in mind whenever you're studying computer science, is you should always think, where else can I apply computer science in my life outside of what we're teaching you? And you'll find that there's actually a plethora of opportunities. There's so many different applications for computer science, and that's why we're so excited to teach you all about it.
Out on the stone and grass.
So this building is the Department of Computer Science. Here, Yale keeps all of their big computers for doing tasks that require a lot of data. Also here, classes hold office hours where you can go to get help with assignments or just to hang out with other computer science students.
And I'm sleeping on the balcony after.
Welcome to Sci City. This is the Center for Innovation and Technology at Yale. This is the space for entrepreneurship where students can get help with their own startups.
Welcome to Sterling Memorial Library. This is one of the prettiest buildings on campus, and even though we're CS students, we love to go to the library and study. This has over 16 stacks of books and over 4 million books, and it's connected underground through a tunnel to the vast memorial.
You're out on the stone and grass. And I'm sleeping on the balcony after class.
Thanks for watching our campus tour. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at Yale's campus.